Corn may look simple when we see it on the farm, but once it enters a modern processing facility, there's a lot happening. First, the freshly harvested corn arrives and goes through an initial inspection. From there, it moves through cleaning, sorting, and preparation before reaching the main processing stages. What's interesting is how workers and automated machinery work together throughout the process. Each stage is designed to handle the corn efficiently while maintaining consistent quality. So let's follow this journey from the field to the finished product and see what happens along the way.
During this stage, we carefully monitor the conveyor, checking the color and texture of the corn to maintain our high standards.
The cleaned corn enters the advanced automated preparation line, where specialized machinery meticulously prepares it for the next stage.
Utilizing advanced sensor technology, the quality control team ensures that only the finest corn proceeds through the automated sorting and packaging systems.
It's amazing how different everything looks once you step inside a place like this. What looks simple from the outside becomes a completely different world when you see all the people, machines, and movement working together. There's something really satisfying about watching everything move so smoothly, almost like every part has its own rhythm. And as we go further inside, the scale just keeps getting bigger. So let's keep going and see what's waiting around the next stage.
Maintaining a consistent temperature ensures the quality of the processed corn as it is carefully organized within the warehouse.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring you more fascinating industrial stories. See you in the next one.
Optimizing the supply chain relies on precision. This electric forklift ensures the timely transport of goods through the vast distribution center. Ensuring fresh produce reaches the shelves efficiently is the final step in the cold chain, minimizing waste and maximizing freshness.
Harvested at peak freshness and delivered straight to our shelves, ready for your family table.